welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm gonna be cooking lamb today. This is lamb. I already cut my lamb. So this is lamb leg, like a little lamb. So I already washed the meat, cleaned the meat very well, and I'm gonna season the meat. This is the season I'm gonna be using. My garlic, salt, and my beef season. So those are the kind of two I'm gonna be using. And this is beans. Those canned beans, Goya beans. I'm gonna be cooking with beans today. So this is the beans. I already washed the beans because the beans come ready cooked already. So the only thing you need to do, just wash it. You need to make sure you wash it because you know those stuff got some chemical. So you need to wash it very well and remove all those excess chemical water on it. Okay. So you're gonna need 3 big onions, and this is Maggi. So this is Jimbo, and this is the American Maggi. You see, this is Maggi too. So the different kind. This is the African one. This is the American one. Okay, so you're gonna need 3 onions, and this is my pot. I already put the oil in there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season the meat and put the meat inside the oil. You don't need too much oil, you see? A little bit of oil, that's good, okay? So this is the meat, and I'm gonna season the meat with those season I show you guys. And after, I'm gonna show you guys what to do. I'm gonna put the stove on right now. So the oil gonna start getting hot, and I'm gonna season the meat. Okay, so now the pot is hot. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put the meat in the pot. Okay, so you see the oil is hot, so I'm gonna start taking the meat just like this and add it. So like what I say all the time, anytime you're cooking, you always make sure you steam the meat for 10 minutes after you're gonna put the water. Okay, all the time. It's very good. So now I'm gonna steam it for 10 minutes, and after I'm gonna add some water to it so the meat can cook. Okay, like what I was saying, after 10 minutes now you need to add the water to it now. Okay, so I'm gonna start adding water. Okay, so this is the water. It's not that much water, so I'm gonna add the water to the lamb. Okay, so I just add the water to the lamb. So I'm gonna cover it, and I'm gonna let it steam. So I'm gonna let this cook. Okay, so now I'm gonna cover it now. See, time to cover it. And this is the base, the one I'm gonna cook. Alright. So you see the water is gone. The water is done already, see? No more water left. So now the meat is frying now. You see the oil is come out. So that means it's time to add the onions and the garlic. So this is garlic. This is 1 big garlic peel. So I'm gonna add the garlic to it. Garlic is very good to give you that nice smell to the food. And this is 2 small onions, and I'm gonna add these 2. So I'm gonna add a little tiny water. Okay, so let me remove the rest of the onions and the garlic. So I'm gonna add water. I'm gonna show you guys how many amount of water y'all gonna use. Okay, so I already add the onions and the garlic, so I'm gonna add the water. You see this water, just a little tiny water, not that much. This water is too much. I'm gonna put half of it. Okay, so like this. So I'm gonna let this cook again so this water go away. See, and I'm gonna mix it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add 1 Maggi. This Maggi. I'm gonna add 1 Maggi. So that's it, and I'm gonna cover it with the lid, and I'm gonna let it fry. Okay, this is the final product. So now I'm gonna remove this, and I'm gonna start making the beans. So this is the beans. So I'm gonna start making the beans now. So the meat is ready already. Delicious. So see the meat? My lamb is ready, man. Okay, I just removed the meat out of the pot. So this is my meat. Well done, man. Tastes so good. And one thing, the Maggi, I did not put everything. I put like almost half of it because I don't want my meat to be too salty. So you always make sure you try the food before you add anything. Because you remember I've added a season before. So it was already seasoned, so I'll just add the Maggi. And Maggi is like a seasoning too. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some more onions because this oil got so much good flavor to it. So I'm gonna add some more onions to it. So now I'm gonna mix the pot and add just a little tiny water. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, and this half of the Maggi, the leftover Maggi, the one I use for the meat. So I'm gonna add that. So I just add just a little bit of water, not too much, just a little tiny bit, so the onions can cook. That's all I want. And this season, this oil got so much good season. I'm gonna try before adding any kind of season to it right now. Okay, I'm gonna try it first. So I just add, I did not add nothing yet because this oil got so much good season. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add, I'm gonna let this onions fry just a little bit more. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the beans. This is the beans. When I add the beans, if I need some more seasoning, I'm gonna add more seasoning, but for now I'm not adding nothing because the oil got so much good seasoning to it and I don't need to add nothing. So I'm gonna just mix it like this. See, I use the same oil, the one I cooked the meat inside, and I use in the same oil right now because those oil got all the good seasoning. So the onions will cook because this beans got a little bit of water. I did not add no water to it right now. Okay, now I'm not adding no water. I'm gonna just close it down. So now I'm gonna try and see if the seasoning is enough. If it's not enough, I'm gonna add it now because I already add the beans. The beans don't have that good seasoning to it right now. I wanna make sure the season. I wanna season the beans very well because if you're eating it, you wanna taste it and your mouth is good. Because if the food is not well seasoned, it will never gonna taste right. I always tell you guys that. Okay, so this is how it look like. This is the final product now. So you see the onions is cooked already, and this is the meat. Yum yum. My meat is cooked already. So what the way you're gonna eat it, you're gonna put a little bit of this in the plate and add some meat, and that's it. Thank you for watching our cuisine and love you guys so much. Please go and subscribe. Subscribe. The more subscribe I have, the more video I'm going to be posting. Like I always tell you guys, love you guys. Bye.